BTA station, BTA station. This is motor vessel Sea Explorer calling on channel 16. Over. Motor vessel Sea Explorer. This is BTA station. Go ahead. Over. BTA station. This is Sea Explorer. We are currently at position 10 degrees 15 minutes north. 123 degrees 45 minutes east. Course 090 degrees. Speed 12 knots. Requesting permission to enter traffic separation ring. Over. Sea Explorer. BTA station. Roger. Your position. Traffic is moderate. One vessel crossing from port side. Advise you to reduce speed and maintain safe distance. Over. BTA station. Sea Explorer. Reducing speed and maintain safe distance. Over. Sea Explorer. Alter course slightly to starboard and maintain watch on channel 16. Over. Roger. Altering course to starboard and monitoring channel 16. Over. Report once traffic is clear. Over. Station. Sea Explorer. Traffic is now clear. Requesting clearance to proceed. Over. Sea Explorer. You are clean to proceed. Maintain safe navigation. Over. Roger. Proceeding as instructed. Thank you. Over. Sea Explorer. BTA station. Communication complete. Out.